Hello, everyone. Today, we're checking out a project that promises income for something you literally do every single day, watching videos. The platform is called Paywatch.pro. The idea sounds tempting. You open a YouTube clip, go about your business, and money starts trickling into your balance. The homepage greets us with the slogan, "Earn money by watching videos," and a promise of rewards for every minute spent. Let's dive in and see how it works, whether it's actually possible to withdraw funds, and what you should look out for before signing up. The website interface is as simple as it gets, consisting of 3 steps you can see on the screen. Registration, creating a personal account. It's free and takes only about 30 seconds. Earning. Navigate to the Earn section, watch the suggested video clips, and get paid for it. Now for the most important part, withdrawing your earnings. To cash out, you are required to purchase a paid subscription, specifically the Silver plan or higher. Once you've bought a plan, you need to save your payment details in the settings, after which you can freely withdraw money to your wallet. Disclaimer: this review is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice.